Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make green banana porridge. Green banana porridge is one of my favorites because it's quite good for you. You know, you've got the resistant starch in there, which is really similar to fiber. So it helps with your digestive system a lot. And it's much more better than yellow bananas because yellow bananas are really high in glucose. I can go into all of this. This is the science teacher in me talking, but let's get on with the video. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. I'm going to put it in the description box, so don't worry. Before I peel my green bananas, I just get some water and add a drop of oil into the bowl. This makes it really easy when you peel your green bananas. If you've ever peeled green bananas, they can be very stiff, the skin, hard to peel it, and your hands can get very stainy. But by just dipping them in the water and oil, the skin just comes off so easily. Like, look at that. You just score it with a knife and it just peels off just so easily, no problems at all. You see, you just score it down one side of the knife, not too deep, and just slide the skin off. So easy. And then yeah, so I'm using 2 bananas here. You can use as many or as little as you want for the portion size you want to make. Then I just place my bananas on the chopping board and I chop them up fairly small. Doesn't matter if they're a bit chunky because we are going to blend them up. Just make sure they're like quite small sizes and then put them into your blender. And once you put it into your blender, you just add some milk just to cover the bananas. To thicken up the porridge, when I start cooking it, I add some corn flour. Usually I go with 1 tablespoon for 1 banana, but as I added 2 bananas, I added 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So I missed out a step here. I had my pan with about a cup of boiling water, and then to that I'm adding the blended porridge mixture. So you just add the porridge mixture in slowly, keep on stirring as you go. Ensure you stir quite consistently because it can get lumpy. Now that I've added all the porridge mixture into the saucepan, I just keep on mixing it consistently. I keep on stirring and stirring for about 1 to 2 minutes. This ensures that there are no lumps formed in the mixture. So my cooker's on high heat, but once you start seeing the bubbles, just reduce it to low heat and let it simmer. So I add in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This just gives it a really nice flavour. I don't usually use this vanilla, but I didn't have the one that I usually use. I'm going to show you which one I usually use, which gives it a nicer flavour. So this is the vanilla I usually use when I make porridge. I just got it from the market shops, the Afro-Caribbean shops. To me, it just gives it a bit of a nicer flavour because it's very sweet as well. So my porridge has been boiling for about 10 minutes now on low heat. I just stir it once in a while just to make sure it doesn't burn at the bottom. You can see it's starting to thicken up now, but I'll probably just boil it for about 10 more minutes so it can get a lot more body in it. If that subscribe button is still red, make sure you press it and turn on post notifications because I will be putting more of these yummy, easy recipes on my page. Thank you. So this is like now a full 20 minutes into the porridge boiling. You can see it's getting very thick. Loads of bubbles are being formed on top of the porridge. So this porridge is practically almost ready. You can see the consistency of it. It's a lot thicker, a lot thicker. A tip, make your porridge a bit thicker than you like it because we're going to add some condensed milk. And when I add the condensed milk, it's going to thin out the porridge again. This porridge is smelling and looking so good. So creamy, so nice. The last step that we need to do is just to sweeten up this porridge. So I add some condensed milk, about 2 tablespoons of condensed milk into the porridge. At this stage, your porridge should be switched off, off the fire. And then I add some nutmeg, about half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then I just stir it all together. Just incorporate all of those ingredients into the porridge. Look at this porridge, guys. Tell me this porridge isn't nice. It looks beautiful. Look at the consistency of it. It's got a very nice consistency, not too thick and not too thin, just perfect. So I like to have this porridge with sweetbread. This is a sweetbread I made earlier. If you're interested in this sweetbread recipe, post a comment and let me know. I also like to have it with hardo bread as well. It's really nice with hardo bread.